everybody, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing. So exciting that I forgot to turn on the mic. So we will just have to deal with the bad audio, but I can't film it again because that was just mind-blowingly incredible. Okay, so deal with the bad sound, okay? Just deal with it. Very unexpected. This box right here is from a really generous and wonderful dear friend, Fashionably Amy. She sent me a very advanced birthday present. It is like months ahead, so I'm gonna do this, but I knew this was coming. I mean, I knew a box was coming, and then I got a notification from my mom and she said that I received another box. And this is from Clara, and I know what this is. It's just that what a coincidence, I got both of them. So let me show you this one first with all the postage and everything. This is, oh man, let me just take them out. I've already unboxed them because I wanted to check them with Clara. And oh wait, there is more. So she also packed peanuts inside here, and it is dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. So there were 4. And then my husband and my dad ate some, so I've got one left. How kind of them to leave me one, okay? So they are actually 2 cups, but people, wait. Oh my gosh, look at these 2 Doraemon cups. Oh man, Clara, she was at the store in Hong Kong and she took a photo and I was like, I want those cups. They are so, oh my god, they are so freaking cute. These Doraemon cups, they are the 50th anniversary cups, limited edition. You will definitely be seeing me use these cups in my video. They're gonna be like hanging here and be like la 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 la. So thank you, Clara. I received them today. They are in fantastic condition. They did not crack in shipping, so thank you. And this, Amy texted me and said that she's sending me a very advanced birthday present. Apparently she got a notification on Louisa Villaroma. What a name. And she said that she got the notification and she bought it straight away and immediately it was sold out. So we are just, I didn't even open like the text to see what it is because I don't know, I've been shaking it though. I've been shaking it. Let me just rip it open. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like a really early birthday present. Gosh. Can I just, what is it? It has a Louisa Villaroma. I can't say it. Louisa Villaroma. Okay, got it. Okay. I'll just make a little bit of space here. No way. I'm just closing this because my address is there, but it says Gucci scarf. No, I'm just one. It says a Gucci scarf. You didn't. Is it? No, you didn't! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? I'm just... Give me 1 second, I'm texting her right now. She bought me the Gucci scarf. Huh? I'm typing to her. No way! With multiple Ys. I haven't even taken it out. I already know. Cause, oh shit. Okay, alright, Kaz, just... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She know, I mean... It's the Doraemon. It's the Doraemon scarf. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, okay? Cause I die. I die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Look at that. It's another Doraemon haul. Who knew? Who knew? You know, you put it out to the universe and it's a Doraemon haul. Got my Birkin here. Like, wow, I am speechless. People, if you have been following me for a while, I've been like over this, and I've been telling myself I'm not going to buy it, and this sneaky little thing goes behind my back and buys it for me. Oh shit. Amy, thank you so much. Wow. She's asleep right now, so oh, okay. I knew immediately when I opened it, I saw it, I was like, I saw this box, and this packaging is the one that I saw on Wilmon Stokes, like this color, and look at it, it comes with everything, even comes with, so it has its booklet and a care card. Wow, girl, this is so generous. People, if you don't follow Fashionably Amy, what are you doing? And Clara as well. Both of these girls, ride or die, Doraemon suppliers. I am lost for words. What an amazing, what a haul. What a way to start the year. Ooh, look at him, he's so cute. So anyway, thank you. I don't even know how to end this. That is my unboxing, and what an incredible one, because this is such a surprise. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and I hope all of you are taking care. Stay safe. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I need to stop the video and hang this on my bag.